Chaturvidha Shri Bhagavat Prasado Swadhana Triptan Hari Bhakta Sangam. I have not read any, I can't recall, maybe I've read, but I can't recall any elaborate explanation about this verse. I think maybe different people that are expert in Sanskrit, then of course they can, that know Sanskrit, they can take the words and bring out so many meanings. Sanskrit, Devanagari, is such an extraordinary and beautiful bhasha and scientific language and extremely complicated and not complicated, but it explains the most complicated emotions and spiritual truths in a very, very beautiful way, Sanskrit. So we see the Bhagavad Gita, for example, has Sanskrit shlokas, 700 verses. And the same verses can be translated very correctly by the words that are in Sanskrit. The same shlokas of Gita can be translated to indicate Brahman. So Chinmayananda and so many Mayavadis, this Ananda, that Ananda, all different Anandas that are Advaitins, and they're not Vaishnavas, and they don't lovingly worship Vishnu or Krishna or Ram with devotion in a personal way. But they have Bhagavad Gita, and they preach Bhagavad Gita and say that, the Brahmanas, the conclusion of Gita is Brahman, and that all the verses indicate that. But then someone says, no, I want to tell you as it is. Well, it's as it is according to your perception. So the bhakta has bhakta dristi. So he sees everything according to devotion. Gyan dristi and bhakti dristi. The vision of the jnani, the vision of the bhakta. Just like a lusty man has a vision of a lusty man. Kam dristi. So a lusty man goes somewhere, sees so many pretty girls. Oh, look, all these pretty girls. I'm so excited. I'm so attracted. So now another one goes there, a spiritual person, a teacher. He'll say, oh, so many conditioned souls suffering. Let me give them the holy name. Let them hear the holy name in Sankirtan. Get some spiritual benefit. They're all suffering. They're so beautiful and they're so attractive and they're so attached to their bodies and there's so much an illusion. And the higher you are, the harder you fall. So nothing more intoxicating than pride. So if someone is proud of their wealth, they become intoxicated by the pride of that wealth. If someone is proud of their knowledge, they become intoxicated, and due to the intoxication of that vast knowledge they have, they often act in crazy ways. If someone's intoxicated, they speak and act in a crazy way. Inebriated, intoxicated, drunk, mata, it's called mata, unmata. So he may have so much knowledge, but then because he's proud of his knowledge, he insults others, or he speaks badly or mistreats someone because of his ego. So the vision, depending on the position of the knowledge and the degree of the blossoming of the devotional heart, then one's vision will be different. It's called dristi. Divine, divya chakshush.